Hello, Tashidale to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan language and grammar. Today we are part 14. Let's start. So you can see here Jinjukju 10 suffix letter, okay, which are ka, nga, ta, na, pa, ma, a, ra, la, sa. These are called 10 suffix letter, Jinjukju. Okay, always we have to remember. So today we're going to learn Jinjuk, ta and na example. So I want you guys to remember again the meaning of Jinju, okay? So today I'm going to explain literal, the word by word this one. Ra jata ja dimbo je sa je, meaning is the later or after, okay? And how ja shabju ju ka juk, meaning is follow or go, okay? So what that means is, here is the example, the Jinjuk ta example. So this one is the root letter or main letter, and ta, this one is the Jinjuk suffix letter, okay? So that means is the letter that follow, the juk is the follow, j is after. So the letter that follow after the root letter, okay, that is called Jinjuk, okay? So there are 10 letters like that. So we have to remember. So now read together. Ta, ta, tet, pa, te pa. Ta, ta, tet, pa, te pa, meaning is faith. So whoever you believe, some people believe in God, some people believe Buddha, some people believe different. So the literally meaning is faith. Next one, na ta net pa, nepa, net pa, meaning is patient. Net pa, net pa. Next one, pa ta pet ma, pet ma, pet ma. The petma has a two way of writing. The next one is like a, you can see like that, pata pet and underneath petma, okay? So mostly you can see this one, okay, is petma. So what is the meaning of petma? Petma meaning is lotus. Petma, petma. Next one, pa naru po ta pet pa, pet pa. Pepa meaning is Tibetan. Pepa. Pepa. Next one, sha dengbo she ta shet pa. Shet pa. Shet pa meaning is afraid. Afraid. Shepa. Shepa. Next one, ha naru wo ta wet. Wet meaning is light. Light. Way. Way. Next one, ka shabjuku na kun. Kun meaning is all. Kun. All. Kun. Next one, ma kigu mi nga na nyen pa. Mi nyen pa. Mi nyen pa meaning is bad guys. Mi nyen pa. Mi nyen pa. Next one. So now we are working Jinjuk na, okay, remember? So now is Jinjuk na here. Root letter and Jinjuk na. Ma kigu mi cha dingbo che na chen pa na rupo. Mi chenpo. Mi chenpo meaning is big man. Big man. Mi chenpo. Mi chenpo. Next one, nya na nyen pa. Nyen pa. Nyenpa meaning is to listen. Nyenpa. Nyenpa. Next one, 타나로 토나 튼바. 튼바. 튼바 meaning is departed. 튼바. 튼바. Next one, 다나로 도나 든. And now you can see here 진죽가 too, right? 다가 딱. 된닥. 된닥. 된닥 meaning is meaning. Meaning. So here I put the emoji, so each face show a different meaning. So that is the called 된닥. 된닥. Next one, 사기구 시 빠나 pen. 시pen. 시pen meaning is chili. Chili. Sipen. Sipen. Next one, 파나 펜바. 펜바. 펜바 meaning is benefit. So you can see here people just collect all the garbage. They're trying to make good for environment. So that is 펜바. Benefit. 펜바. 펜바. Next one, 파링보 페나 펜바. 펜바. 펜바 meaning is to throw. 펜바. 펜바. Next one, 마 shabju mu na 문바. 문바. 문바 meaning is darkness. 문바. 문바. Next one, 차나루 초나 천. 천. 천 meaning is color. 천. 천. Next one, 샤나루 쇼나 쉔바. 쉔바. 쉔바 meaning is to ride. So that is referring to like to ride on ferry, to ride on bicycle, to ride on horse. 쉔바. Okay? 쉔바. Next one, 하나로 오나 왼바. 왼바. 왼바 meaning is deaf. 왼바. 왼바. Next one, 야나로 요나 윤 따나 뜬. 윤뜬. 윤뜬 meaning is knowledge. 윤뜬. 윤뜬. Next one, 라기구 리나 린 차등보 체나 첸. 린첸. 린첸 meaning is high price. So literally meaning is rin is a price, chen is high or big. So the meaning is that high price, so referring to precious stuff like precious stone like gold, diamond, all kind of anything that is so precious. It's a expensive stuff called rinchen. rinchen. Next one, sha dembo shena shenpa. Shenpa. Shenpa meaning is butcher. Shenpa. Shenpa. Next one, sa dembo sena sen tanaru toka tok. Sentok. Sentok meaning is pinching. Pinching. Sentok. Sentok. Okay, so remember today we learned the example of Jenjuk, Da, and Na, and of course there are some other like Ga too. And trying to remember the meaning and vocabulary, and then I will come to see you in next video, Jenjuk Ba, okay? And don't forget to download PDF file and see you in next video. Okay, bye, take care.